country or from different people, so it's not nice to take a lot in the door. So just go, take a little bit, taste, and if you like it, okay?
We have this too.
Yeah. Okay, so.
Marissa, I have one question.
Okay.
Why do you always cook every meeting?
You're welcome.
Why do you always
So do I.
answer some food every meeting that we have?
Yep.
Is it? Actually, you ask.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
He asked me why every time that I have a meeting here, I cook or I have something, some type of food. Batman, it is customary for the Latin people, if you invite people over to your house, to have some type of food for them to eat. So it is part of our culture. Food or drink with people.
What a nice culture.
We always cooking. We always cooking. We always.
Yeah.